Hey Firebirds, this is your girl Phoenix Alexander. Thank you so much for joining me again. Today we're going to do a little henna tattoo on our hand using this kit I got from Amazon and this cute little stencil I got from Amazon. I'm going to go ahead and leave the links for that in my, on the bottom. And you guys will be able to find that right in my Amazon shop if you want to. So inside this kit, you do get some cotton swabs, 4 different bottles of color. You have like 2 black ones, a brown one, and a red one. They give you some gloves, and they give you, I want to say it's like 42 stencils or something like that. So you're gonna get a good amount of little stencils that look like they would either be perfect for kids or like good for finger tattoos and stuff like that. So I already used the red to do like a little flame on my hand, just to kind of test it. And these are my 2 tester dots. I actually did 3 dots, one for each of the colors, but the brown didn't show up, so I guess it's me colored. So I'm just going to cut out this stencil a little bit, separate the portion that's for the finger versus the portion that's for the hand. And I figure while we do this, we can just chat it up a little bit. So one of my watchers had mentioned she wanted to have, they wanted to have a little bit more substance on my channel. And for those who don't know, I am 37 years old and I am disabled. I have a very rare blood condition that caused me to have a widowmaker heart attack. I now have 5 stents in my heart. I have a defibrillator. And I'm disabled. I'm retired at this point. So I wanted to do this channel kind of like, I don't know, like a legacy, something I could leave behind. I don't have any children, and I wanted to be able to interact with as many people as possible and basically just have fun. Like I always wanted to have a channel, but I didn't really have the guts or the inspiration to do it until I got sick. And, when someone tells you that you have a terminal condition, it kind of changes your whole aspect. It's kind of either the ultimate motivator or it can be the ultimate suppressant. It kind of just depends on your outlook on it. So with that being said, as much as I would love to be able to kind of provide a variety of content for you guys, like I would love for my channel to kind of be like your always source of entertainment, but I don't think I'm going to be able to accommodate and kind of, do a little bit of everything for everybody type of situation. I recently found out that I have another health issue to contend with, so it looks like I'll probably have to get another surgery, but don't worry, I will be okay, as I am highly blessed and favored, as you all are. So I'm not worried about it. It's just, I'm in a little pain right now. My energy level isn't where it normally would be. So I probably won't upload as much right now, or, it might just be little easy breezy stuff where I don't have to do a whole lot. So eventually, hopefully in time, if given the time, I would like to grow my channel out a little bit more, and include some more things. But at this time, I think it'll probably just continue to kind of be the same stuff, things that I really enjoy. It takes a lot for me to, get myself together some days. So it's kind of like a really big pick me up when I get a chance to, do my makeup or my hair or, get all dressed up. And that's kind of like my treat for days where I'm really feeling good. So yeah, I'm going to try to kind of keep my channel light and breezy, because essentially that's the part of life that I'm in right now. You know, when I was younger, I was one of those people that was very involved in a lot of things. I did music overseas, which I loved. I was into art. Um, I was just into so many things when I was younger, and you know, of course, very big on activism. Like who isn't when they're young and energetic? It's like when you first find out about the world, you want to get out there and change everything. But now, y'all, I am. Your girl is taking it easy like Sunday morning, okay? I can't be getting my little heart all upset every 5 minutes. So, so yeah, hopefully you guys still enjoy. Anybody that I lose along this process, you know, it's no love lost. You can always come back to our channel and check it out, even if you're not feeling it at the moment. But I'll definitely try. Like I said, I'll try to integrate some new things in, but we'll just kind of have to see how it goes. So back to our tattoo real quick. I've just been kind of going in with a cotton swab and smoothing the product into place. And this red ink is like really, really thick. So it does hurt my little chunky hands a little bit to use the bottle. But the color payoff is amazing. So eventually you'll see I'll stop being so precise about where I put it and just kind of smear it around. But any parts of the stencil where you're not really sure if it's adhered well, I would just go on ahead and kind of very gently paint the product in there. Don't really swipe it with a cotton swab because it'll probably get under it and mess up your design. Alright guys, so we are almost done with this. And it comes with a cute little finger tattoo. So I'm going to go ahead and adhere that. I will tell y'all, I love the finger tattoos, but I can never get them to come out nice and clean. It always gets stuck somewhere inside the little wrinkles in my fingers. So now I'm just going through with the ink and kind of just dotting any areas that I feel like are missing. Unlike with most henna, this is what it's going to look like until it starts to fade. So kind of what you see is what you get here, which is a good thing because you're able to fill it in without wanting to kind of see if it will fill in on its own. On my other hand, I used Inkbox, and I'll have another video of me doing that tattoo because that one definitely lasted longer. So as you can see, those lines at the top blurred, so I'm just going to go in and fill that in and just make it a solid line. And like I said, I'll just fill in any areas where it looks a little light. But yeah, I really like this kit. Now I've had this on my hand for probably about 4 days. It's pretty faded. I will put a picture on there to show you how it's fading. But I think this came out really pretty. I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.